Lions are cooperative hunters. To bring down prey almost 4.5 times their size, they need to work together. But that's not what Christophe and Natalie Roux witnessed during a trip to South Africa's Kruger Park.
I woke up early in the morning to have a game drive. As I was driving, at the corner of my eyes, I've seen that thing jumping.
It's a lone lioness trying to take on an injured buffalo.
So we are very, very excited, almost panicking, looking around for the camera.
The buffalo makes one final charge, but it's too weak, and the lioness moves in for the kill.
She started then eating his hind leg, so he couldn't, walk any further.
By wrestling a 680-kilogram buffalo, this lioness might have bitten off a little more than she can chew.
I actually thought that she wouldn't be able to take down that big buffalo.
She's trying to wrestle the buffalo onto its side to expose the neck and belly. But this is a job suited for at least 3 specialized hunters.
I thought that, the pride would come along or other lionesses, just to help her. But maybe an hour later, we realized that she's wanting to take this buffalo down all by herself.
Even though it's injured, the buffalo is still a force to be reckoned with.
It's actually pulling.
She took it very cautiously. She was never anywhere near the head of the buffalo or the neck, always trying to bring it down from the back, exhaust it, pull it down.
The end is in sight. And then...
Regarde l'éléphant, le babouin. Ça y est, il y en a marre.
Elephants don't like lions much at all. They will take any opportunity to chase them off and disturb them if they can.
The drama isn't over yet.
You would think that the elephant would just carry on walking.
We knew that we would see this kind of thing only once in a lifetime, and that we were just right there at the right moment.
The buffalo now has a shot at survival, proving that no gesture is too small to make a huge difference.